Best ways to earn money online. There are millions of ways to earn money online. When you are just starting out, looking at all the methods you can use to earn money online can be a little overwhelming, and some may not be the right choice for a beginner. Here are the 5 best ways to earn money online. 1. AdSense. AdSense has always been one of the best ways to earn money online. Google will pay you money to display related ads on your website or blog. The key to making money with AdSense is finding a good market or niche and write relevant content regarding that market. Then you would place ads on your site, and whenever someone comes to your site and click on one of the ads you placed, you will get paid a certain amount for that click, lead. Ad placement is important. So basically, find a good market, do some keyword research, add content based on your target market, and put some ads on your site. Once you get good traffic, you start earning money off those clicks. There are more factors to consider when earning money from AdSense, but this gives you an idea of how it works. To get a AdSense approval, you must need a website that contain valuable post. If you want to make money with AdSense, WeLoyalWebsite.com helps you to create a beautiful website, and we will give you some ideas what to post in your website. This will make easily get approval from AdSense team, and you will start to earn money daily. 2. Selling on eBay. This is a very common way to earn money online quickly. If you have junk laying around the house or have something nice that you would like to try to sell, get an eBay account and start showing off your merchandise and put it up for bid. You will be surprised what some items bids end at. 3. Offer a service. Many people have skills, some which people are willing to pay for. Are you good at writing articles, creating website templates, SEO? These are just examples. Offer your expert services and get paid for what you are already good at. 4. Create a product and sell it. This is similar to offering a service. You may have a lot of knowledge in a certain field or niche. Create a product about it and sell it to people willing to buy your information. Products can range from ebooks, reports, software, etc. 5. Market other people's products. If you don't have a product of your own, you can try selling other people's product and earn a commission from it. For example, Bob is selling an ebook about losing weight, and he offers to pay you 50% of the cost of the ebook if you promote his product. So whenever someone buys the ebook from your source, you will earn 50% of the sale. Many online entrepreneurs are making huge money using AdSense. To get an AdSense, you need a domain. Learn how to register a domain name for free. If you want to register a domain name to start a blog or make a website, then this is the best option for you. Normally, a domain name costs $14.99 per year, and website hosting plans start from $7.99 per month. This is a lot of money if you are just starting out. Luckily, LoyalWebsite.com has agreed to offer our users a free domain name, SSL certificate, and 60% discount on web hosting. Basically, you can pay $3.95 per month for web hosting, and you will get a domain name for free, so you can start your website without a lot of money. To get your website up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up a website yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, watch this video by Founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up website and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state, and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place, and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which business structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, WeLoyalWebsite.com will help you to set up fully finished website. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.